today to celebrate with Alex and Mari on this beautiful day when they enter into this covenant of holy matrimony.
I, Alex, take you, Mari, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love and to honor you, all the days of my life.
I, Mari, take you, Alex, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Alex and Mari, are you prepared as you follow the path of marriage to love and to honor each other for as long as you both shall live? Are you prepared to accept children lovingly from God and to bring them up according to the laws of Christ and His church?
I am.
I am.
Present to you guys the most newly married couple, Alex and Mari.
It was a few years ago that Alex took Mari on one of these trips. When he came back from the trip, he was happy as can be, and we asked him, "Did you catch a big one?" And he answered no, but Mari did. We realized this was serious and true love, and he was hooked. I leave you all with a toast to Mario and Alex joining together in marriage and to the biggest catch of all, love.
Mari, I'm so proud to know you. Thank you for being my longest and dearest friend, or really the sister I never had. You made my childhood so bright, and even though we live states away, I know we still have a lifetime of friendship ahead. I'm so happy you found someone so wonderful to share your life with.
You're not just marrying a woman today, you're marrying her past, her dreams, the little girl who once believed her dad was the strongest man in the world, and the woman who now believes in you. My sweet, sweet girl, thank you for being everything good in this world. I loved you first and always will, but now I stand here not with sadness, but with peace, because I see how happy he makes you, how gently he holds your heart, and in him I see a man who will love you in all the ways you deserve.
Marriage is about loving each other and cherishing each other, waking up with each other every day, seeing you guys, how you started building the family. You have Mila, you love each other. It's just every day you need to keep building on that.
To Alex and Mari, may your life together be filled with love, friendship, and joy.